Hey everyone, it's Emily from Life So Savory, and today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable sleep mask with an optional vinyl press-on. You're going to start by cutting 2 layers of the fabric. Download and use the free template included in my blog post on lifesosavory.com. Here I'm using sweatshirt fleece, which is super soft and comfortable, but you can also use any silky fabric or flannel. You're also going to cut 1 layer of cotton batting using the same template. This template can be cut down to make a smaller sleep mask if you desire for yourself, or if you're sewing it for a smaller person. You will also need a length of round, flat elastic for this mask for the strap. Here you can see I'm cutting down the template to make a smaller version, which I did as well, if you want that option. If you're going to be cutting the vinyl accessory, I'm using eyelashes. You can use any design that you would like. Download the design to your cutting machine and go ahead and cut it with heat transfer vinyl. I like to get this all set up so that I have all of the things that I need ready to go before I start putting it together. I cut the eyelash design, then I went ahead and weeded it out so that I was ready to press it on when I got to that point in the project. Once you have your vinyl iron-on prepared, you can go ahead and set it to the side until we get to the next step of the project. The eyelashes were very easy and quick to cut, a little trickier to weed, but not too bad. And then I was able to set that to the side. Double check that the sizing is what you want for whatever design that you cut, and then you can get going. My free eyelash design was from the Art Spirit app. Next, I'm taking the 1 layer of cotton batting and sewing it to the back side of the back of my mask. So the wrong side of the fabric on one side of the mask main fabric. I'm just sewing these together with a very narrow seam allowance so that I can use them as a single piece when sewing them to the front. Next, I took the front piece of fabric and then I put my vinyl design on top, and I used an iron to press it into place so that that front piece was also ready to go. Now you're going to take the back piece, put your length of elastic that's the right size for your head on either side of the back piece, and with right sides of the main fabric together, you're going to clip or pin all these layers together. You should have the elastic completely sandwiched in between. I added a couple of pins to keep it in place so that it wouldn't get in the way of my sewing. For this seam, you're going to sew all the way around with a 3/8 inch seam allowance, which will cover up that other seam that you sewed when we attached the batting. Leave a 1.5 to 2 inch opening along the top flat edge for turning the sleep mask right side out. Clip the little under nose part or over nose part so that that part lays nicer when you turn it right side out, and then go ahead and turn your mask right side out. You're going to press it or just smooth and pin or clip it with the seam allowance of the turning hole turned in, and then top stitch all the way around the mask to go ahead and finish this simple project. It looks cute when it's finished, and it's great for getting better sleep in light or bright environments and just helping yourself to relax when needed. Hope this is useful and enjoy!